Question number 5. Next one, question number 5. Figure is given. A is on the y-axis, B is on the x-axis, x and 0. Point P is midpoint. What is P? Midpoint. And we have to find the coordinates of A and B. Find the coordinates of A and B. So now take midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now you write minus 3 is equal to x plus 0 upon 2 and 2 is equal to 0 plus y upon 2. It is midpoint xy. So x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 2. X1, x2. So x plus 0 upon 2 and 0 plus y upon 2. Now minus 6 is equal to x and here 4 is equal to y. Now A is 0, 4 and B minus 6, 0. What is B? Minus 6, 0. What is A? 0, 4. A is 0, 4. B minus 6, 0. Answer. Now question number 7. Question number 7. Triangle ABC. A is minus 5, 2 and B is 3 and minus 6. C is 7 and 4. Find the length of its median through the vertex 3 minus 6. What is this? Median. Median means D is midpoint. What is this? Median, you will get midpoint. Median, midpoint. Median, midpoint. It is very important. Okay, median means you will get midpoint. So D is a midpoint of A and C. Now to find x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now minus 5 plus 7 upon 2 and here 2 plus 4 upon 2. Okay, so you will get 2 upon 2, that is equal to 1. X is equal to 1. Here 6 upon 2, cancel, you will get 3. Y is equal to 3. So what is it? D, 1 and 3. What is D, 1 and 3? Now second part, they ask you to find length of BD. So BD means length, distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we write under root 3 minus 1 whole square plus minus 6 minus 3 whole square. So 2 square plus minus 9 whole square. Okay. 2 square plus minus 9 whole square. So 4 plus 81 under root. So you will get under root 85. What is the distance? BD under root 85. By long dividing, you can get 9.22 units. What is this? 9.22. Clear? So median means midpoint. Midpoint. Okay, from the vertex B to the other side. So AC will be bisected. D is a midpoint of AC. Using the midpoint formula, find out the D. Then get the length of BD using the distance formula. What is the length? Under root 85, that is 9.22 units. Question number 9. This is a circle, center of the circle, and they have given one end is minus 2, 5. Mark it A, and this is B. And the other end not given, we have to find out. The midpoint is 2 and minus 1. So mark it x2 and y2. Okay, now apply the midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So you will write 2 is equal to minus 2 plus x2 upon 2 and minus 1 is equal to 5 plus y2 upon 2. So 4 is equal to minus 2 plus x2. Then 4 plus 2 is equal to x2. 6 is equal to x2. Same way, minus 2 is equal to 5 plus y2. Then minus 7 is equal to y2. Okay, now what is B? 6 and minus 7. This is the answer. Okay, what is the coordinate? Coordinates of B? 6 and minus 7. A, one end, center of the circle and B other end. A is given minus 2, 5. O is given 2 minus 1 and B is not given. Take it as x2 and y2. And you know center of the circle. The AB is a diameter. So it's a midpoint of the AB. Apply the midpoint formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay. Now calculate, you will get x2 is 6 and y2 is minus 7. So coordinate B is 6 and minus 7. Given vertex A 2 5, B 1 0, C minus 4 3, D minus 3 8. Are the vertices of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of AC and BD. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of AC and BD. Then give a special name to the quadrilateral. Give the special name to the quadrilateral. So first we have to take, let the midpoint of AC be P. Okay. So write A 2 5 and C minus 4 3. Now P x y. x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. That is 2 minus 4 upon 2. 5 plus 3 upon 2. Then minus 2 upon 2. 8 upon 2. So minus 1 and 4. This is the value of, this is the coordinates of P. Coordinates of P. Next what they said, find the midpoint of BD. So let the midpoint of BD be Q. Mark it AB. Okay. So QAB is equal to, you will take B and D 1 minus 3 upon 2, then 0 plus 8 upon 2. So minus 2 upon 2 and 8 upon 2, you will get minus 1 and 4. What is the Q value? Minus 1 and 4. Now see, P mid value, you will write P is equal to, Q is equal to minus 1 and 4. Minus 1 and 4. Hence, the diagonal of the quadrilateral bisect each other. You write diagonal of the quadrilateral ABCD bisects, bisect each other. Each other. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. See, they said ABCD is a vertices of the quadrilateral. And AC, midpoint is P we have taken. What is that P you got? -1, 4. Then BD midpoint we have taken Q. What is the midpoint? -1, 4. P is equal to Q is equal to -1 and 4. Therefore, diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD bisects each other. Bisects each other. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay? ABCD is a parallelogram. Clear? Question number 11. Given PQRS is a parallelogram. Is a parallelogram. PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. And they have given PQ. And the midpoint of the diagonals. Okay. Diagonal intersect each other. No. So, midpoint of SQ and midpoint of PR given. -3, 2. Find R and S coordinates. Find R and S coordinates. Okay. Now, you write P and R. O. -3 and 2. 4 and 2. Here x1 or x2 and y2. Take it. Okay. Let R be x2 and y2 to find the coordinates. Now we have to take midpoint. No? O is the midpoint of PR. Now take R. We have to find out. Take it. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then you write -3 is equal to 4 plus x2 upon 2 and 2 is equal to 2 plus y2 upon 2. So -6 minus 4 is equal to x2. So x2 is equal to -10. Then 4 minus 2 is equal to y2. y2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now what is R? R is -10 and 2. What is R? -10 and 2. Okay. Then next what they ask you to find out? Find S. Find S. Now to find S, you can take it S will be as X or you can take it A and B. Okay, A and B. Now draw the line. This is S and this is Q and this one is -3 and 2 and O. O is the midpoint of SQ. In the parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. Now find out X is equal to, here I have taken no, A and B. X is equal to, you will write A plus Q value is given -1 and 5. -1 upon 2. So what is X value? -3. This is X and this is Y. Okay, so we write A -1 upon 2. -6 is equal to A -1. Then -5 is equal to A. What is A? -5. Then Y is equal to +5 upon 2. And this Y is 2, no? So write 2 is equal to B plus 5 upon 2. 2 2s are 4. -5 is equal to B. B is equal to -1. Now what is the S coordinate? -5 and -1. What is -5 and 1. Okay. Question number 13. Now triangle given and mark it A, B, C and P, Q, R. Understood? So they have given the midpoint. The midpoint 2 minus 1. P is 2 minus 1. P is 2 minus 1. Q minus 1, 4. Then minus 2 and 2. Minus 2 and 2. Okay? Understood? So ABC is a triangle and given P, Q and R are the midpoints of AB, BC and AC. Now you take let A x1, y1, B x2, y2 and C x3, y3. Okay. Now we have to take to find A. X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now we have to write what is x value? 2 is equal to, because we are taking A, B and this, x1 plus x2 upon 2. So 4 is equal to x1 plus x2. One equation you got. Same way here, y is equal to minus 1 is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So minus 2 is equal to y1 plus y2. Okay, minus 2 is equal to y1 plus y2. Now take to find B. You will apply BC. You will get minus 1 is equal to x2 plus x3 upon 2 and 4 is equal to y2 plus y3 upon 2. Now minus 2 is equal to x2 plus x3 and 8 is equal to y2 plus y3. Got? Then to find C. To find C, you will take minus 2 is equal to x3 plus x1 upon 2 and minus 4 is equal to x3 plus x1. Next, here you will get 2 is equal to y3 plus y1 upon 2. 4 is equal to y3 plus y1. Clear? A, B, C. Vertices not given. Take x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Midpoints are given. P, Q, R. And apply the midpoint formula and you will get the equation. x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. x2 plus x3 equal to minus 2. x3 plus x1 is equal to minus 4. Okay, 3 equations. Same way, y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2. y2 plus y3 is equal to 8. y3 plus y1 is equal to 4. Okay. Okay. We got x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 2. x3 plus x1 is equal to minus 4. Okay. Same way, y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2. y2 plus y3 is equal to 8. y3 plus y1 is equal to 4. Add this. Now what we have to do is add by adding. What you will get? 2 x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 2. These two get cancelled, so you will get minus 2. Same way, 2 y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 8 plus 4, 12, 12 minus 2, 10. Now these two cancel, 5 minus 1. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 1. y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 5. Now see, in this place, x1 plus x2, what you will write? To find x3, take x1 plus x2 is equal to 4. Okay, so 4 plus x3 is equal to minus 1. x3 is equal to minus 5. Same way, y3 you will take. y1 plus y2 is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 plus y3 you will get 5. y3 is equal to 7. Okay. So the point you will write. Coordinate C is minus 5 and 7. Similarly, x2 plus x3 you will get minus 2. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to minus 1. So x1 is plus minus 2 is equal to minus 1. x1 is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Same way, y1 plus y2 plus y3 and you take is equal to 5 and y2 plus y3 is equal to 8 plus y1 is equal to 5. y1 is equal to minus 3. So what is the coordinate of A? 1 and minus 3. Okay, now we have to find C over A over B is left. So x2 plus x1 plus x3 is equal to minus 1 and here x1 plus x3 minus 4. So x2 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 1. x2 is equal to 3 and y1 plus y2, y1 plus y3 is equal to 5. Then y2, y1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So y2 is equal to 1. So B is 3 and 1. Okay.